Welcome you all for our online classes. Okay, in last class we have seen question number 36. So in 36 question number, so there they have given you 4 blanks in a paragraph. So there you should fill them with the agreements, what the subject agreements with the verb or subject and verb agreement antani ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. So that you have to fill. Okay, so there you will get 3 marks. Okay, now so now in the today's session another 3 marks. So from which from the tense, so what we have learned, the tenses are. So from them another 3 marks we get in our annual examination. Okay, so the questions are like this. Question number 42, 43 and 44. Question number 42 is about add a question. Add a question tag. And question number 43 is about change into a question. Change into a question. Change into a question. Sorry, the question is change into question tag. Question tag. Change into a question. Beginning with the right form of do. Right form of do. There are do forms. Do forms ಗಳನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದಿರಿ. What are the do forms? Do and does are the do forms. Okay, do, does and did. Do, does and did are the do forms. Okay, do and does are the present do forms and did is only the past do form. Okay, so as you saw and as you seen in the earlier classes. Okay, question number 44. Question number 44 is frame a question. Frame a question so as to get the underlined word as answer. Underlined word as answer. So these questions are asked in our annual examination. So these are the very easiest to answer. So tag we already have seen in while we are learning tenses. In some of tenses I told and I wrote on the board code I have written. So the tags, how we have to construct them. ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. And today, so we start with a question tag. What is question tag? So it is a small question we put it to confirm whether the action is right or not. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರಿನಾ ಅಥವಾ ತಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಗನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಈಸಂಟ್ ಹಿ, ಹೌದಾ ಅಂತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. Whether he is a teacher or not, to clarify, to confirm whether he is a teacher or not ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು, ಸರಿಯಾದ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ we used to put tags. ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಆವಾಗ, ಇಫ್ the sentence is in positive, remember we have to put or we have to tag the questions for only positive and negative statements, assertive sentences. ಕೇವಲ ನಾವು ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅಸರ್ಟಿವ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ದ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. The tag must be in negative. In the condition, if the sentence is in positive, the given sentence is in positive. So if we suppose to put a question, a tag at the end of the sentence, then the tag must be in negative. So understand it. And if the sentence is in negative, just I capitalize the first letter to note. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್, ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, is in negative, the tag must be in positive. So these are the two conditions why we are adding tags to the sentences. Okay, so keep these conditions in your mind. So now the rules. How to write rules, how to add the formation of tags. Okay. So first name condition formation had it. If the sentence is in positive, the tag must be in negative. So how to write, or what is the formation of that negative tags? Negative tags from the formation had it. Formations. Okay, so if the sentence is in positive, so just I noting positive statement. So positive manake nanu hige plus symbol annu ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so if the sentence is in positive, the tag must be negative. So the tag has first helping verb. Then it has not. So this helping word begins with small letter, small letters. This helping word begins with small letters. Small letter, okay. Helping word plus not plus subject. So that should be written in pronoun. So P means here pronoun. P means pronoun. So the subject, if it is in proper noun, say for example, Praveen is a teacher. Mohan is a dancer. There, the subject is in proper noun. Proper noun. The subject is Mohan and Praveen. Okay. So there, while we are writing tags or add tags to that sentences, then we don't write the proper noun. So, in what manner he translate in pronoun? So we put it there. So Praveen become he in pronoun. So Naveen he. Then Rani, so become she in pronoun. Likewise, okay. And Rama and Lakshmana become what? They. So if suppose there are two or more people in the subject phrase, we can take they. They and then a small letter. So the helping verb begins with small letter, not plus subject. So that subject must be in pronoun and at last the question mark. So this is what the formation of the positive statements tag. Okay. Then if the sentence is in negative, the tag is like this. So it begins with helping verb and has no, not, the negative form. So directly we should write the subject. That should be in pronoun and at last the question mark. So this is what the formation of negative statements tags formation. Okay. So this is asked in question paper for only 1 mark. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಗಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 42 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ there is an example. So shall I start to tag the statements? Okay. One statement ಹಾಗೆ the narrator was asked to accompany the man. So like this. So just they gives you like this lines after the sentence. They give a space like this. So ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ? Add a question tag ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ add question tag ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, first you should read the sentence to check whether it is in positive or negative. Okay, so the narrator was asked. There is no negative sense in this statement. First, we should find whether the statement is in positive sense or in a negative sense. Okay, so the narrator was asked to accompany the man. So here there is no negative sense. Then we consider it as the positive sentence. If the sentence is in positive, the tag must be in negative. So first we adopt the tag formation of positive statements. So there is helping verb, not, subject, that must be in pronoun, and last question mark. Okay. So positive statement is there. So what is the helping verb in this sentence? First we identify what is the helping verb. So the narrator was. Was is the helping verb. So shall I write here was? Okay. The condition is the first letter of this helping verb must be written in small letter. That should be start with small letter. That should be started. That should be started with small letter. Okay. Was. Was. So then we add not. Okay. So was plus not equal to wasn't. Sir, was not ಬರದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Okay. Was plus not equal to wasn't. W-A-S-N apostrophe T. Wasn't. Subject. What is the subject here? The narrator. The narrator. So it is common noun. So here whether the narrator might be he or she. Okay. So that's why. So it is depends upon the story who told in the lesson. A lesson ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾರು ಆ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So here this line is from Oromanshan. So then the narrator is the author himself. So there is a he character. ಅಲ್ಲಿ he character ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಏನು ಬರೀತೀನಿ, the subject narrator ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ? He. Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು narrator ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. wasn't the narrator ಅಂತ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಬರೆದೆ ನಾನು? pronoun ಒಳಗೆ ಬರದೆ, subject ಅನ್ನ pronoun ಒಳಗೆ ಬರದೆ. What is the subject? The narrator is the subject. So that should be written in pronoun. So wasn't he? At last we put question mark without leaving space. ಯಾವುದೊಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಾವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಬಿಡಲಾರದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಹೀಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಂಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಹೀಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are 7 days in a week. So add that. Sentence there are 7 days. 7 days. So is it in plural or singular? 7 days. 7. There is no singular. It is in plural. So that's why there must be changed into they. ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಡಮ್ಮಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ನೌನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಸಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್. 7 days. There are 7. There is ಇದ್ದರ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? 7 days ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ದೇ. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ? ದೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ದೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ, ದೇ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸಾರಿ, ಈಗ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಆರ್. Shall I write here are? So it is in positive, so that's why it becomes aren't. Aren't. This there become what? They. Aren't they? So likewise, we have to put the tags. Okay. So suppose the given sentence is in simple present tense or in simple past tense. So there is no ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಟು ವಿಸಿಬಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹೌ? ಹಾಗೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. She speaks English fluently. So this is what the statement. Okay, the given statement. So here, she is there. What she does? She speaks English fluently. She speaks English fluently. So they gives you like this, and so in ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, add the tag question ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So she speaks English fluently. First you identify whether it is simple present tense or past tense. So she here speaks is there. What is that? Speaks. So then we confirm it is in simple present tense. So main verb is in V1. So V1 is used in present tense. So that's why. And the second thing is yes is there. The suffix s is there. So that's why in simple present tense, third person singular he, she, it takes yes, es or is as the suffix to the main verb anta helittu. So that's why we consider it. So we found it is in simple present tense. That it is in simple present tense. So then there is no helping verb. Helping verb illa illa. ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ನಾನು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದೆಮ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದೆಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿ, she does not speak English fluently ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ does is there. ಹೌದಾ? I takes do, we take do, you take do, he, she, it takes does, and they take do. As it is the agreement between the subjects in simple present tense. Subjects and verb. ಆ ವರ್ಬ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಗ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಡಸ್. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಡಸ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಶಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಡಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಶಿ. ಡಸಂಟ್ ಶಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. So he does not sing a song. So if it is like this, the sentence is in negative. First you find whether it is in positive or negative. So the sentence is in negative. Okay. So the tag must be positive. So here the positive is there. Helping verb. What is the helping verb here? Does. Then we write the subject. Who is the subject? He. So then the question: does he? Like this. So it is what the tags. ಇದು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ. The sentence is in simple past tense. Suppose they played cricket well. They play cricket well. Like this. They play cricket well. Subject is there. Subject they is there. Verb is in V2 form. Verb is in V2 form in the sense past tense. So the sentence is in past tense. So and then there see there is no helping verb. So how to find the helping verb? Okay, the verb is in V2 form in the sense it is in the past tense. There in the simple past tense we use did as helping verb while we are changing positive statement into ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ನಾವು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ದೇ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇ. ಪ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಡಿ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಡಿಡ್. ಇದು ತಿಳಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ the main word remains in base form. Base form of ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಉಳಿತದೆ. They did not play cricket well. Yesterday. Okay, so this is what the statements are. So here, they is there, played is there. So then, played, if the V2 is in sentence, the sentence is in, there must be think that it is in simple past tense. So in the simple past tense, the helping verb is did is used as helping verb. So the sentence is in positive, the tag must be negative. Did plus not equal to didn't. What is the subject? They is there. Didn't they? Okay. Then they did not. So the sentence is in negative. So simply we write did and the subject they. Okay. So it is for the tags. Okay. So mind it, the first letter of the tag must be written in small letter. ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದು ಏನಾಗಲ್ಪಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಬರೆಯಲ್ಪಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಎಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ you should end the tag with question mark. Question mark ದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಗನ್ನು ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತವೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತವೆ, ಹೊಂದಿರ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು have understood what I taught today. So, are you ready to get a mark in annual examination? Okay. So, if any doubts in tags, please message me in WhatsApp. I will solve them. Okay. Thank you.